Good morning, good morning, good morning. Today is Friday, August the 25th, 2023. Just doing a real estate tap in with you for this morning. Looks like the Jerome Powell just made his speech at Jackson Hole, Wyoming. They're still trying to get inflation down. So I think that, going into 2024, I'm thinking that the labor market is going to have some pain because they're going to probably raise interest rates a little bit more at their next meeting. And I think, like he mentioned that in there, is that, that there might be some more pain to come. Banks and things like that are already tightening lending, and we're seeing a contraction. So there's a pullback happening to try to get that inflation rate down to 2%, which they seem to be committed to. So with that, could affect the labor market, and then affect the real estate market. So there's going to be people out there that are going to need some help if there is an uptick in job losses and things of that nature. So, it's unfortunate that people are going to have to potentially lose their job and employment rise for them to kind of get to where they want to be at in terms of inflation. But the good thing is that we can help people get them in a better situation, help them during this time that may come up for them. So that's why, again, we've been talking about real estate notes and trying to get private money to come into real estate. It is going to be needed, now as well as into the future, to help people. And the real estate note business is a good place to be, on the financing side of real estate, as we go through this time that we're in. So last night we went live at 8:30 p.m. You could catch that replay on my actually, I don't think it was uploaded to my YouTube channel. It was uploaded to this it's on here, the Abundant Capital Group Instagram page. We did have someone come on with me and talk about a certain deal that they have. So it was a good conversation. So we go live every day, 12:30 Eastern Standard Time, Monday through Friday, on Instagram. Then we go live Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday in the evenings as well, going over deals, talking about real estate note investing, just talking about real estate in general. If you ever have time to check in, just go to the YouTube channel, Abundant Capital Group. Sign up for the notifications. You'll see when we go live. And if you have any questions, have any situations that you want to talk about, we can potentially show you how creating a note or doing some type of note on a property may solve any type of issue on a property. And we talk about how we structure different deals and things like that. So you can join us there Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday in the evening if you can't join us during the day. But Monday through Friday we go live 12:30 Eastern Standard Time. Just talking about real estate in general, and with a focus on real estate note investing. So if you do have some money that you've made in the stock market, I made a post earlier today about how there might be a shift in the stock market as well, based on a lot of things that are going on in terms of, there's a lot of companies that are filing for bankruptcy, laying people off. These are things that you're not going to hear in the news, but I made a post and I attached a link to a podcast for an economist, that kind of studies this stuff night and day. So it's a little bit of a high level conversation, but I think that if you listen to it, you'll kind of understand the gist of what they're saying. and looks like, there might be a perfect storm happening. So this quote-unquote landing may not be as soft as everyone is predicting, but you always want to prepare for the worst, and hopefully, the worst doesn't happen. So if you have any questions, tap in with me at 12:30 on my Instagram page at Abundant Capital Group. And then also we do a training on Saturdays, 12:30 Eastern Standard Time, on the Abundant Capital Group YouTube page. We'll be continuing our series on real estate note investing, just kind of going through the process of evaluating deals and what real estate notes are. We just, we've done about 6 parts of it, and we're going to continue that this Saturday, 12:30 Eastern Standard Time. So if you have any questions in the meantime, please post them. We'll get them answered for you. See you at 12:30 today if you have time. If not, maybe tomorrow you have time. And if not, again on Monday. Have a good one. Have a good weekend, everyone, if you don't check in with me. Talk to you soon.